The accessory organs of the digestive system include the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. We will briefly discuss the functions of the liver. The liver is the body's largest gland, weighing in at approximately 3 pounds. As a gland, it produces a substance called bile. Additionally, the liver functions to cleanse blood and process nutrients that are arriving from the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine before that blood enters systemic circulation. It also uses amino acids to produce the major proteins that are found in blood plasma. The liver is filled with extensive capillary networks. It receives blood from the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine by way of the hepatic portal vein that enters the liver. Upon entering the liver, the hepatic portal vein becomes the capillary network that allows blood to be cleansed and processed by the hepatocytes. The capillaries deliver the blood to hexagon-shaped clusters of hepatocytes called lobules. The hepatocytes have abundant smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which functions to process some of the nutrients, such as some of the monosaccharides into carbohydrates, in addition to cleansing the blood from anything that's potentially harmful that may have been ingested, including things like drugs and alcohols. Figure 23.25 examines the hexagon-shaped lobules, which are composed of hepatocytes, in addition to the veins and the sinusoid capillaries that allow that blood to travel through the hepatocyte clusters. Bile is secreted through the bile duct into the duodenum of the small intestine. There it functions to emulsify lipids, which mechanically breaks them up into smaller masses, just like a detergent breaks up oils into smaller droplets. The emulsification of bile makes it easier for lipase enzymes that are within the small intestine to then chemically digest the lipids. The liver produces and secretes an average of 1 liter of bile per day. It can increase its production of bile if there are large amounts of fatty chyme that are detected within the small intestine. The gallbladder is a small, smooth muscle structure that's located on the inferior side of the liver. Its function is to store bile produced by the liver and then secrete it into the small intestine when it is needed.